Morning everyone, welcome to Sky Valley. And yes, I'm wearing shorts. Doesn't matter how cold it gets. So today, I'm up here. Kids had the day off from school. I'm at the overlook. Hang on. And Sky Valley's got a number of waterfalls up here that I've not done yet. So I figured if it was a day that I had off, I might as well come up and kind of give them a try. Just stopped right here to have breakfast real quick. So I'm gonna finish my orange juice, enjoy the view for a minute, and see if I can't find, I believe it's Mud Creek Falls first. So everybody, I'm gonna head out. Hope you follow along. All right, so I'm parked here at the waterfall. You follow the road out through the community, end up coming down a mountain, and you get to this spot. No parking behind the white line, so this is a lot like the waterfall I did in South Carolina. What was it? Reedy Branch Falls, where you literally walk down the hill and there it is. This is the same way. So don't even need a backpack. You just walk down here and the waterfall is literally right here at the bottom of the hill. So unfortunately, my backup camera, the batteries on it went bad, so I don't have the zoom effect that I use a lot of the time, but I should be able to still get a lot with the GoPro. And they weren't kidding, literally right here below where you park. So that's the Mud Creek Trail. Goes down that way. And here's the waterfall. There's still a lot of ice here as well. It's getting close to 30 degrees up here right now. So this would have been a great one to come see when it was 9 degrees, last week? I'm sure there would have been a lot more ice. I'm gonna see if I can't get a little closer, carefully get a little closer. There is a lot of ice on the ground, so I'll be right back. So that's where we just climbed up. And, ooh. Yeah, I bet this would have been pretty spectacular with all the ice. Man. A little bit closer. This would also be a great waterfall to come back to after a hard rain. I bet the cascades are a lot bigger. And all the ice right here on the right-hand side, that would be more water. You can see, got a lot of ice here in the woods too. I don't know if that's a offshoot of the falls that comes down that side. Not real sure. Not a bad find considering it's literally right here on the side of the road, or at the end of the road. So turn around at the end of the road. I'm gonna carefully go back down and get one last shot from the bottom, maybe somewhere right there. All right, I get out here in the middle of it. So one last look at Mud Creek Falls here in Sky Valley. And this is one I could see coming back to if the temperature really drops. Because I bet that this would be the best ice feature I've seen so far. So I'm going to, that's solid. Guess I am going to spin around and head out. There are a few more waterfalls up here, but I don't know where I'm gonna go. But if you're looking for a place in the summer to come, you got the water here, you got picnic tables, and right now, I mean, I've got it alone. I'm sure it's a lot more active when it's warmer. But this is the first waterfall of 2025. First video back on the channel from the break that I had to take. So happy to be back. Hope everybody's having a good start to the year. January's almost over, so I will hopefully look forward to catching everybody out here on the trails. Have a good Tuesday.